Good afternoon, everyone. This is Compost Chicken Queens Plus. In here we have 3 Poshmark opening unboxings. This one, though, I believe is a Norwex and Party Lite order. So, we want to get into this one first because I need more Norwex products in my life. I have a huge fitness center. Well, it's huge for me. A fitness center to keep clean with as little products as possible. Here's the secret life of compost, one of my favorite subjects, as by my name, Compost Chicken Queens Plus. Can't have compost without knowledge. And yep, in here is, oh, I don't remember ordering this container. Believe I'm going to be saying thank you, seller. Yeah, I didn't buy this Tupperware. This is awesome. So what we have in here is the Norwex stuff. I got another optical cloth, and it comes with a thing. This is there's the fresh produce one, and then there's the sports slime. Not sure. That must go with this one. Maybe not. Yeah, probably. And then a variety pack, which comes with the Enviro cloth. Always the favorite. The middle one is the window, and I can't find any of my window cloths right now. I have like 4 of them. At least one of them, two or three of them is this color, and another one is one of the limited edition ones. Yes, and then the body. These, I love Norwex so much. It works so good. This is, Scentsy. It's a room spray. I'm going to use that for the Airbnb. And this is the Norwex hand lotion. That is for my partner in Toronto. And then we have some Party Lite. I do like their stuff. I haven't used it in a long time. One of my favorites was, I think it was like honey and goat milk or something. I can't remember, but it was an amazing smell. So those are going to be for the Airbnb. Nice. I like the other one better, though. And for me, merci beaucoup, my dear Poshmark seller. Thank you for the Tupperware. That is so generous of you. I really appreciate that. I love Tupperware, too. Because I know I didn't buy that. Yes, thank you very much. And this says, what does it say here? Hi, Sarah. Thanks for shopping my closet. No problem. I love your stuff. Have included a free Tupperware shelf saver with your order. Thank you so much, my friend. I will be back because you sell Norwex and Party Lite and other goodies. So, yes, I'm going to try to keep this low because I'm running out of space on my phone and my battery's about to die. So anyways, I hope everyone has a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, and night, whenever, wherever, and whomever you are. Stay awesome. Stay adventurous.